Add purified water or antifreeze coolant here. AEAR-BEBR connect to machine AEAR-BEBR. Chiller signal feedback line. Chiller power line. Liquid level not lower than red line and not out of yellow line. This is drain. Chiller signal feedback line. AEAR-BEBR connect to water chiller AEAR-BEBR. Here connect nitrogen. Here connect oxygen. Here connect air pressure. Turn on water chiller. Here no need adjust anything. Emergency stop. Machine power. Laser power. Computer power. Laser on switch. This is fixture switch. Boost port. Adjust the fixture size and stable it. Open software. Then you can move machine from handle. Click follow laser head will go down to the metal plate. Adjust laser head height. Frame. Click blow, it will blow nitrogen, oxygen or compressed air. Red point switch. Before cutting should shut down the red point. Step move axis. Fast move axis. Back to 0 point. Import vector file. Change size. Load parameters. E毫米 stainless steel cutting parameters. Adjust the focus distance. Gas choose nitrogen. Oxygen pressure set, impulse. Nitrogen pressure set, impulse. Frame. Here select the grid polar, it will cutting from inside to outside. Shut down shutter before cutting. Start cutting.